This is the battle between Jaden and Yugi. 7. I go first. Revenge for Alexis. Draw. Let's start with increasing my life points by 2,500.
Oh, lumakaw yung lalo sa
Kahit kung ang tanong mapapagsalangan na balikan.
I end my turn. Wow. I draw. I activate Skyscraper. And I summon Elemental Hero Burstinatrix. And I attack. But that's destroyed.
Ito rin mo.
Oh.
Tanggalan na ako.
I end my turn.
Ito.
Draw.
Hindi mo ako.
Okay, Dukes. I tribute summon Elemental Hero Necroshade. Attack the set card. Oh, OMG, 1,000. Now, I end my turn. Pay 800 life points.
Hindi.
800 life points.
Nakanta ka.
Normal summon. OMG! One nine. One six. Go back. My turn. Draw. Tokidoki. I summon Elemental Hero Clayman in defense position. And now, I activate Miracle Fusion. I can fusion summon Elemental Hero monster from my extra deck by banishing the fusion materials listed on it from my field or graveyard. So Clayman plus Burstinatrix equals Fusion Summon Elemental Hero Rampart Blaster. Okay, I put it in attack position. Now, attack. 1,6 plus 1,000, 2,6 minus 700. 1,6 Now I set one card on the field and I end my turn. Draw. I activate Future Fusion. And I set one card on the field. I change this to defense position. And I end my turn. Turn ka na? I activate. Send the fusion material monster and show you the fusion monster. And during my second standby phase, this is my first second standby phase, I can special summon that fusion monster. Sorry, I do. Okay. Activate. In shuffle. I can shuffle one elemental hero monster I control to my deck, and I can special summon one elemental hero with different name from my deck. And now I special summon elemental hero Neos, and then shuffle from your graveyard into the deck either elemental hero or Neos different. Okay, I shuffle the elemental hero Blade Age, and I can draw one card. Draw. I set one card on the field, I end my turn. Kaya mapatayin mo. Ayan. Patay mo sa akon. Tapos alin? Target one monster opponent controls and one monster control. Destroy the first target. Mapatay mo yun. Give you control to second target. Ako na yun. Salamat.
Oo, pa na. Oo, pa ako.
Very wrong.
Ano?
Hindi.
Bago na ako masama.
Very wrong. Change position ka sa akin.
Patalo sa buhay mo.
Activate ko. Special summon.
Yantok ka.
Hindi na pinatay mo ko na. Tayo tayo ka sa 300 eh. Hindi. Attack to 6. Tara na. Pero maski anuhon mo yan, wala na. Maski hindi mo ito kinuha, i-activate ko lang sila.